I'm Bridgette, also known as Bridgette The GoCoach. Who has the ability to achieve everything you've ever wanted in life? I can! Yes, you can. I'm here at the Boys and Girls Club of Middle Tennessee. Thanks to the General Insurance, I get to spend the entire day with some bright young adults to help get them going on the road to success. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. Live the life you've imagined. I want you to release your fears, standing in your way of your vision and everything you wanted. Sometimes we need help popping our fears. When you've released your fears, you're able to hold on to and grab everything that you've ever wanted. How many of you imagine a life for yourselves when you're big and grown? What do you imagine yourself doing and being?
I want to be a rapper.
I want to be a nurse.
I want to be a trial lawyer, and then when I get old enough, start my own law firm.
A cypher is where you get together, like we're here in a little crew, and usually stand in a bit of a circle where you just freestyle.
My name is Layla, and I'm so fast, so nobody can touch me when it comes to math.
My name is Maxie, and I rap with flexibility. Nobody can touch me.
When it comes to being the king, because I am the king, and my rhymes will ring.
There's times where we feel like I can't do that. There's times where we may think no one I know has ever done what I want to do. There may be detours, there may be roadblocks, there may be times you get stuck and you don't feel like you're going anywhere. But as long as you always remember that all you need to do is just take a tiny step, you can always move in the direction toward where you want to go.
My favorite activity was the cypher, kind of like a rap, a freestyle, what we're good at, why we're good at it, and how nobody can top us at what we do.
I would just take everything that I've learned today and put it all together and do what I want to do in the future. And honestly, that can start tomorrow or today when I leave. At least I know that the world is thinking of the future because we are the future.
Everybody put your fists in. I can! Woo!